You like reserve all that energy and just let it out on a stage when you get up.
No, performance is just a perfect package. Tamale is a perfect package, you know.
Yes.
Tamale Sparta is a perfect package as an artist. You know what I mean? I sing all type of song. I can do all type of shows same way. I have enough good, bad and ugly song. You know what I mean?
So the excerpt just now was from an interview that Tamale did on stage last night. He said a number of things in his interview, but I'm sure the thing that people will take away from it the most is what he said in relation to Alkaline. You understand what I say, peeps? He would have said he's a bigger artist than Alkaline and him have more fun than Alkaline, and Alkaline probably afraid than them something. You understand what I say? First, before we go any further, if you are a stan is a new word that was added to the English language recently. It was made famous by the Eminem song. It is an overzealous fan of a particular celebrity. You understand? So the fanboying thing, it not gonna work out. The groupie thing not gonna work out. So if you can sit down and reason out the thing on an intelligent level, feel free to stick around. If not, you can cut from now. You understand what I say? So I'm going to make you listen to watch the interview, then I'm going to adjust certain aspects of the interview. I'm going to look on the whole Tamale voicing about Alkaline down the years. Alkaline not answering him, well, not directly, but probably subliminally. So this is what Tamale had to say about the Vendetta boss. Have a look.
You've been throwing jabs at Alkaline for a while, and he wasn't answering. This is my reading of it. And then all of a sudden he's answered. Why were you jeering him?
Him feel him know what I'm doing at the end of the day, and I'm not talking about energy and everything. Yes, no? But remember, I'm a big artist too, you know. I come from the Gaza bloodline, and you know them way there. Some fans, I'm different from Alkaline fans. Alkaline just hot and have everybody fans. I have more fans than Alkaline. I have bigger artists with Alkaline. You see me? I almost a 1.5 passport I done already. You know? I go more places than Alkaline. I don't see what Alkaline do, but I don't do. So I don't know why I try to say I'm like an artist. But I have sang from Grand Theft Auto, I said 1 billion in one day.
So do you think if you weren't banned from traveling and from really moving your career forward, you would have been bigger than him? You would have been hotter than him? Because you agree that he's hot, right? So you would have been hotter now than him, you think?
I think, Mama say, man, you have a thing when you're boss, you're hot, you're steam down. That's when reality comes to everybody, when he's a good artist or not.
Yes.
So if you steam down now, I know say there's no coming back, or you know you lost, I know say you're a good artist. But one type of circumstances make the thing when kind of depend on a level what it is, yeah.
But he wasn't throwing any words at you. Why did you feel the need to? Are you start?
No man, he throw words from enough time,
So when you talk, you're responding to him, or?
I respond all the time. You know?
All the time? It wasn't you who were?
Subliminal message and them thing, isn't it? Maybe free and I'm saying I put in career risk, but in my name, you know,
so I'm sending out coded messages? I'm sending out subliminal messages, you're saying?
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And you read them to be coming after you? That's your reading of these messages? Or it could mean otherwise from what you believe they mean?
People know about man, and people listen. I'm pretty fans of many people that listen half dance or music. They know everything I want. They even hear more things than me.
Yes.
First thing first, please. I know that some of the Vendetta fans them cross and them angry and them miserable. Based on what Tamale said, they want to tell me that Tamale is upon Alkaline level and levels to this thing and all of them something. You understand what I say? First and foremost, peeps. Jamaica one of the only places where you go and one man can support more than one artist. You know it's a Cartel of my artist. But that don't mean I'm not listening to Mavado. Mavado is not my artist, but I listen to him. You understand what I say? I am an artist. That don't mean I listen to Alkaline. Alkaline is a talented youth and he have many songs I like. You understand what I say? I listen Unruly. That don't mean I listen to Alkaline. I listen Sparta, I listen Tommy Lee. That don't mean I listen Alkaline. You understand me? I say I listen Bounty Killer, one of my favorite DJs down the years. That don't mean I listen Beenie Man. You understand? I think Tupac are the greatest rap artist ever. But I can't tell you say it was all a dream. Because Biggie a general said we, you understand me, I say peeps. So we don't take anything personal. And music we say, we don't say artist, we say music. You understand? I will listen to the music that appeal to me. You see what I say? So it no matter if the artist and the artist they in a feud. If I like a song of the artist do, me go listen to music me say. You understand me I say? So some people take a thing too personal. So me go delve into this thing, you know, as to why Tommy Lee then probably make certain statements and why Alkaline not directly address Tommy Lee and answer other people and them something there. What is the difference between both artists, what one have over the other, if anything? You understand me I say? So see it, yeah. So dancehall is a funny place, strange old place. Tommy Lee would have had his moment in the sunshine where he was the forerunner in the dancehall space for a period of time, especially not long after Cartel was arrested. We've seen where Alkaline has bided his time and has become the forerunner in terms of popularity in the music at this point in time. You understand me? I say both of them are very controversial in their own ways. Both of them get people talking for different reasons. Normally it is negative. We know Alkaline come with the same tattoo in eye, and we know him never tattoo in eye. Apparently my copy vibes Cartel him never admit to that yet, while Tommy Lee kind of with the demonic thing, and he has been implicated in lottery scamming, even though he hasn't been charged. You understand? We know Alkaline was arrested, well, detained the other day for questioning by the police in relation to a murder that took place in Marvally earlier in the year. So both of them have had press access, whether it's for negative or positive. We also see now where many artists have thrown shades at Alkaline down the years, and he has been very selective in what he says or do in response. One of the most vocal, however, has been Tommy Lee, and Tommy Lee not afraid to call him name anytime, anywhere, any day. I've never heard Alkaline called Tommy Lee's name. Is that deliberate, or him just now give Tommy Lee the time of the day? You understand? I know so the Vendetta fans them go say, yo, Tommy Lee not the Alkaline level, and I know so the Sparta fans them go say Tommy Lee a bigger artist than Alkaline. That debate they are range, and that is not what me there suffer now. What me there suffer is to look upon both artists, why Alkaline probably avoid Tommy Lee, and why Tommy Lee keep on calling Alkaline's name. Something there, may I say, yo, Tommy Lee I call him name from way back when. Me never hear Poppy call Alkaline name directly. He would have taken throwing shades at him or send subliminal disease, but I never hear him call Alkaline name, and he went after Popcorn hard. You understand? I suppose, as me personally think, is that he thought Popcorn was wounded with the whole beat and teeth scenario from Movat, and he just went in for the kill. Feel like him couldn't just get rid of Popcorn off of the map. Popcorn not even look at him. You understand me? I say, so people are saying, then if Tommy Lee call a name and you not answer, then Popcorn not really call a name. So why you answer? So the Sparta fan base will tell us say him afraid Tommy Lee. You understand? While the Vendetta fan base will tell us say, yo, Tommy Lee not up on Alkaline level, and levels to this thing. You understand? I don't know that Alkaline is afraid of Tommy Lee. I just don't think that Alkaline sees Tommy Lee as big enough a scalp for him, for his catalog. You understand? And I don't see where Alkaline is a bigger artist than Tommy Lee, in all fairness of being a big artist. You understand? Alkaline are the artist, but Tommy Lee has done that. Tommy Lee has put in the work. You understand what I mean? I say, so I don't know where the levels thing come from, and I don't know what afraid of. I just think that Alkaline is very strategic in what he does, and him just don't feel like he want to answer Tommy Lee. You understand what I mean? I say, is Tommy Lee obsessed with Alkaline? It would be hard not to say that based on the fact that him call Alkaline him every chance him get, and him go at Alkaline every chance him get. Or is it him feel like say Alkaline just not bad as well him say, and him become defend himself and show the people him make up out of. On stage interview now, Tommy Lee say him a bigger artist than Alkaline. You understand what I say? And he said that based on where he has been and how much traveling he has done. Him say him have a bigger fan base than Alkaline fan base, because him come from the Gaza bloodline. Well, I suppose majority are Gaza fans, I got say Sparta said we and say unruly. You understand? Well, the unruly thing kind of up in arms based on certain things still. You understand? But I know Tamili have him fans, but I cannot quantify whether or not Tamili has more fans. As then again, Alkaline have few fans, him have the Gully fans as well. You understand what I say? So there is a situation where I personally cannot say yay or nay to that. Tamili must know why him say that. You understand what I say? So those are a couple of the him say, yo, Alka probably afraid. You understand? See, man not necessarily think Alkaline afraid, him just probably being very strategic about the thing. Both artists I said before are very controversial. You understand, them evoke conversation. You understand what I say? Whether it be good or the bad, most time are really negative things people tend to talk about. You understand? Alkaline has been given a fight from many aspects of the industry. Same thing for Tamili. You understand? Both of them have had problems with the law enforcement officials in the country. So I mean, they're similar in so many ways. You understand? Alkaline, however, is a bit more marketable, I think, based on the type of songs he does. While I know Tamili is kind of more the demonic, gothic, darker side of the thing. So I don't think he's as commercially viable in terms of marketing as is Alkaline. However, I think Tamili is a better stage performer. He have better stage craft, better stage management. He have a bigger presence. When he's up on the stage, you know he's up on the stage. His voice is more powerful and commanding than Alkaline. You understand? I think given both of them, I suppose Alkaline will have the hits, you understand? But Tamili has the know-how and the craft to rock any stage, any crowd. That is my personal view on that. So as it relates to that, now my things that Tamili a lead right there. So the thing is that, and as me I say, look how deep the similarity are going on, peeps. Both of them, the songs what them sing, they don't really last too long neither. You understand me? I said the songs them at when them eating them, but them last say a couple of weeks or a month or two, and then that's it. You hardly hear them. You see me? I say so that is something what them have in common as well. Because alright, for example, when you look at a Bounty Killer, Bounty have songs when voice 20 years now. When you're playing at the dance mash up. You understand? Cartel a song when voice 2002, 2003. You gotta dance. Me now climb on call. You see me? I say me and my call Kanai, Jersey, all of them tune from way back when are still classics in the dance hall. Me no care where you're bad from. So me I say Alkaline tune them act for a while and then them fade out. Same thing for Tamili in my opinion. And you know, funny enough, when you really look at it, Tamili songs probably last a little longer than Alkaline songs as well. You understand what I say? Because if you go play Psycho now in a one dance, or you play Uncle Demon, or you forward now go normal, or you play Spartan Soldier or something, versus one Alkaline song where him not released like yesterday. Seeing so peeps, the thing close, you understand what I say? But for me, tell you say one artist bigger than one or have more fans than the other, there are limitations to that, and there are constraints in me saying that. You understand? The thing is that both of them have things that work for them, both of them have things where work against them, both of them have things where they need for work on. You understand what I say? Both of them have them fan base. Saying I really didn't like, and I've said this before, just like how me want to see my father answer the markup. We didn't want to see Alkaline directly answer Tamili and make we see how it go. You understand what I say? So not sure if that will happen or when it will happen, but it will be interesting to see. You understand what I say? Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.